Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this video, I'm going to quickly go through the steps necessary if you want to integrate Zoho CRM, which is a customer relationship management system that's quite popular. If you look it up, Zoho is cloud software suite for business, and they do offer more than just a CRM, but if you're trying to hook up your website forms from your Gradelink website and make sure that that data goes into the CRM, then that's easily done. First of all, on this website for Concordia Lutheran, we've already got the Zoho integration installed. So if you need it installed on your website, just reach out to our website support team and they'll take care of it for you. Or alternatively, you can go to add-ons under forms, add-ons, and then you can install and activate the Zoho CRM add-on. Since it's an official add-on, there's no risk of it creating problems with other plugins. But normally, anytime you install a plugin, you want to double check with our support team. So first step is going to be go to settings, click on Zoho CRM, and then you'll simply click on this big blue button. Click here to connect to Zoho CRM, and it's going to redirect you to the Zoho website. From there, you're going to log into your Zoho account, and then it'll walk you through a couple of other steps and say connect. Now, bear in mind that anytime you do this third-party authentication through the website, sometimes you're going to get redirected to a 404 error page. So sometimes it's a good idea, if it doesn't work the first time in a normal browser, go to a incognito window in Google Chrome or a private browsing window, depending on what browser you're using. It typically works. You should have a private or incognito mode available to you. And what that does is it makes sure that there's nothing stuck into the browser cache that may interfere with things. So if you click this button, you authenticate into Zoho, and then it says there's a 404 error or something like that, then go ahead and try again, but log into your website from a private browsing tab or incognito tab, and it should work that time. Once you've set up and connected it, there's one other step. So if you go to forms, and all of the forms that you want to have the entries go into Zoho, as whether they're leads or contacts or anything like that, you want to go and hover over each of the forms that you want to have them go in. For example, if you have your schedule a tour, want to have all of those entries or submission go into Zoho, then you're going to hover over settings, click on Zoho CRM, and these are the settings for each individual form. Now right now it says to get started, please configure your Zoho CRM settings. So if you have Zoho set up, you should see an option to add a feed. And it's going to look very similar to this one. There's other types of feeds where you just click add new, and then this is an authorized.net feed, but it's going to have something like this where you map the field to a form field. So if you have an email field, obviously it'll map to a Zoho email field, address, name, etc. And you'll just map everything, select from the drop down what you want to map over, and then you can simply save settings. And once your feed is set up and active, then that form will start sending all the entries into Zoho. And you can test that by filling out the form on the front end of your website. For example, if you're trying to get the Inquire Now or the Schedule a Tour form, if you want this to show up in Zoho, set up the feed, and then go ahead and fill this out, and you should see that entry pop into Zoho. Hopefully this helps. Please reach out with any additional questions to Gradelink website support.